Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. On this video I'm going to be showing you how to check the EGR. You can call it a solenoid, a motor, whatever you want to call it, what sits on top, which activates your EGR, which actually this sits on there like that, where them 3 screws on. And as that pops out, that it's the center of that and actually pushes the EGR in like that. Now, if you want to know how to test this, or you want to know whether your one's gone or not, stay with me and I'm going to show you. All you have to do on yours, on some of them, they have like this yellow tab thing just here. Some of them are pushed in like that. All you have to do is just get it, pull it out like that, press the end down like that, and it pulls off just like that. Just put that to one side. If you can see just inside there, you will have 2 prongs, as you can see. Now what we're going to do is a resistance test on it. So we're going to use this auto range meter, multimeter. We're going to be sticking it on resistance. Let me just point there so you can see it. There you go. Hopefully you can see that. Let me just pull that down. Right, and all we have to do is just put 1 on each end of the prongs and see the reading we get. So if I put 1 on this side and 1 on this side, so we're getting about 81. You have a look. Yep, about 81. So that's one way you can check it as well. The other way you can check it as well, which I'm going to show you as well, is if you have a probe tester, power probe. This is an actual sealy one. You just hook it up to your battery, negative to negative, positive to positive. You will actually have one of these leads on the end, so you can put that to a component, put that to a component, and if you just press up or down, you can actually turn things on and on, like bulbs, motors and stuff like that. So if you've got one of these, you can use one of these as well. So same again, if we just hook, pin one of the leads in there. Now what I'm going to do with this one is, if you see that there, I'm actually going to push that down. So if I push that down like that, if I put the power probe on it like that, you can actually see it's on it because it's gone green. Now if I push the button, this button up here on the power probe, this should push my finger off the motor, the valve, whatever you want to call it. So as soon as I press that button, that should push my finger up like that. Now you can do this with a pair of wires from your battery as well. Put 1 negative, 1 positive, pull them on these both terminals, leave the one off, push down. As soon as you push the other one on, it should do the same thing, it should take it off. But in this case we're using the power probe because this is what we've got to hand. So what we'll do now, as soon as I press this switch, if I push that down, you should see it push my finger off. So here we go. There you go. And you can see the power what we're putting to it as well, because it lights up red. So there you go. As I push it, it pushes my finger off it like that. So we're now as that's working fine. So that's 2 tests you can do to see if it works. Don't forget, like I said, you can put 2 wires to your battery, one to the negative, one to the positive. It don't matter which way round you do it. Leave one off, push that down, then put the other one on, and you should push your finger off the same way as well, and you'll know whether that's working properly or not. So basically that's resistance on your volt on your meter, a power probe you can use, one like this, or you can use a piece of 2 pieces of wire coming off a battery. And like I says, all this is for is your EGR, which goes on there like that, and that pushes in when that's actually connected to there like that. That's pushed in, and once it turns it on, that shoots out and pushes that in like that. This is actually off a Vauxhall Combi 1.3, but it's the same with the Corsa D's, maybe with the Astras and other Vauxhalls as well. I just wanted to come along today and show you how this works and activates. If it helps somebody out there, then there you go. Another common problem as well is these on the inlet manifold. These actually push in as well like that, are bolted to the inlet manifold, and on this part of the EGR it bolts onto this part here like that. These are known to getting blocked up as well. If you look at all these holes round here, all them get blocked up, so obviously the air can't pass through properly. But there you go. Well, like I say, I hope this helped you out. If it did, then bonus. I'm actually leaving it there now and stop waffling on. Like, share and subscribe for future videos, and until next time, I'll catch you in another one.